Is the new Hot Toys The Batman a hit or miss? That's up next. Good day, my friends, and welcome back once again to Brotherhood of the Bat Collectibles, your one stop for all things high-end statue collecting reviews, unboxings, and so much more. And from time to time, we also like to feature some products from Hot Toys. Now, of course, those are figures. They're absolutely incredible. And of course, the Batman right here, baby, is everywhere right now. There's products everywhere, and they're flying off the shelves. And also, we're getting reveals from statue companies, and of course, today, Hot Toys. And I can't wait to share my thoughts and opinions on this particular piece. Is the likeness there? What are the accessories like? There's so much to talk about with this one. So without further ado, I want to show you all the details on this piece. Is it a hit or miss? That's up next. All right, guys, so here we go, and it looks like we're going to get a lot of different versions of this, a lot of different varieties. So obviously this one has a standard base. This is going to be the regular, and I think the suit looks really great. Of course, you know, some people have said this is maybe the best figure the Hot Toys has done in years. I think it's pretty screen accurate. I don't know. I mean, I'm not going to identify because I haven't seen enough of the suit. I have seen the movie, of course, but I think it looks great, and I think overall the presentation on this piece captures the Robert Pattinson feel, the look, and I think that Hot Toys nailed this one. I think they did a really good job. Look at these portraits here. Obviously, you're going to be able to have the movable eyes with this one, and the bottom jaw plates will switch out. So there's 3 different ones. I love that, and again, I think that it looks really quite impressive, and it looks just like the cowl from the movie. I love the way they did the weathering on it. Obviously, you are going to get an unmasked portrait with the regular as well, so that's really nice, and I think that they did a really nice job. We'll, of course, look at that here in just a second. But overall, I think the figure itself, the accessories, you know, it just looks cool. There is a deluxe version as well, and so we're going to dive into that. Of course, you do get a few more bells and whistles with the deluxe, but this portrait you do get with the regular as well. So anyway, I do think the portrait is really good. Is it 100% perfect? I don't think so, but I think it's really darn close. I mean, look at that. I think it's really good, especially for a Hot Toys figure. I think it's absolutely fantastic. Of course, you know, they do such a great job with those sculpts. Incredible artists at Hot Toys, and I think that this one is really captured well. And again, that's Robert Pattinson. I mean, there's no questioning who that is. The eye makeup looks fantastic, of course, very true to the movie. But this deluxe version also comes with a better base, a much more detailed base. There's a lot more going on with it. And of course, you know, it does add a little bit more storytelling elements to it as well. And as you can see, there's different configurations of how you can display it, whether it's front or back, or add more steps. So it's actually really pretty cool what they're able to do with this one. There is also a flight suit. I'm kind of ho-hum about it. I just don't feel like this is kind of a miss for me, just because I don't know how many people would display it that way, but it's still cool they included it. And I just think, again, the figure itself overall to me looks very, very cool. I like there's so many different posability, you know, things you can do with this. Again, like just look at that. It looks fantastic. Obviously, they're teasing the Batmobile here in 6 scale, so that's very exciting. It's not up for pre-order yet, but it is obviously being teased. And then, of course, they are also teasing the Bat bike. So again, you're going to get a couple different options. I kind of figured that Hot Toys would probably bring these vehicles out because the vehicles obviously are very collectible, and I love it. It also looks like it has an LED, you know, feature with that headlight. So again, just very, very cool. I actually would consider getting the Batmobile just because it's so neat. Love it. So anyway, there's also going to be a Batman and Bat Signal set. So you can buy the Bat Signal and Batman together, and it also looks like they're going to sell it individually. So if you just want to buy the Bat Signal, it looks like you're going to be able to do that. It is going to go up for pre-order this week. So be ready, be prepared, because again, I think this is a very cool piece. Obviously, this is a big, big hit, big movie, and I think that these pieces are going to be highly, highly purchased, highly sought after, especially because we know there's going to be a trilogy of these movies and also TV shows involving these characters. So very, very exciting. Again, it's just cool to have this Bat Signal in 6 scale, and it also lights up, guys. It actually projects light. Very, very cool, and I think that that is just brilliant that they are bringing this out to collectors. I think it's really, really awesome. So anyway, the Bat Signal, Batman, you can buy it as a set, or again, it looks like you're going to be able to buy it separately as well. So time will tell, but at least that's what I'm gathering with my intel here. So again, with the deluxe, you're getting all kinds of things. You're getting the great portraits. You're getting the different base, the different accessories like the you know, the bonus exclusive items at the top there. I also wanted to show you some people posted some actual real photos. So this is on display at the Hot Toys store. the display store, and it looks fantastic. So here we get to see it in regular light, not highly produced photos, production photo, or promo photos. So these are look, I think it looks really good. I love it under real light. I think just look at that. It looks like it captures him perfectly to me. So I'm very excited for Hot Toys collectors. This is one that I would love to review for you guys on the channel, and maybe I just might, because I think it's really, really cool. And again, it just really captures the feel of him from the movie for me. There's also the Bat bike on display here, which is really, really cool. Again, that light up feature there. You can see the chins, the bottom jowls of him for the switch outs. There's also some really cool accessories. I love that. Again, it's taken directly from the movie, and man, I hope that teases Court of Owls for the sequel. That would be amazing. So again, from top to bottom, I think this is a very, very cool statue. I think it's a big, big hit overall. I don't really see very many things wrong with it. Again, the suit might be not 100% accurate. Again, I don't know. I haven't studied the suit enough to know that. I'm sure there's people out there with a magnifying glass looking at this suit. But anyway, I think it's a really cool piece. I think it's highly recommended that you pick this up if you're a Hot Toys collector or just the Batman fan in general. So there you have it. What did you guys think of this Hot Toys, the Batman figure, of course, again, from Hot Toys? I think it actually looks really good. I think the likeness is pretty darn close. I'm excited to see what Prime 1 does with their new reveal. Of course, we'll be covering that here on the channel as well. But from top to bottom, I think it's awesome. There's so many accessories. I think maybe the only miss is that flight suit. It's cool that they're including it, but I don't know how many people would actually display it that way. But overall, I think it looks really cool. The base is cool, so many accessories, and of course, again, the bat signal, just so many vehicles I think they're going to be doing too. It's very, very exciting, of course. I know there's a lot of Hot Toys collectors out there, and I do want to know what you think, though. What do you guys think? How many of you are picking it up? Please leave your comments down below, and of course, as soon as it's up for pre-order, I will have the pre-order link down there. Of course, if you do use that link, it does help support the channel, so thank you guys very much for that. But otherwise, again, I do want to know what you think. I just think it's awesome. So anyway, I can't wait to see all this new Batman stuff. I love the film. I can't wait to see it again. Also, let me know if you've seen it and if you loved it. Let me know in the comments. So anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, click that notification bell. Otherwise, just thank you so very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you right here in the Bat Cave. Bye, everybody. Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these two awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Bat Cave.